just wake myself up. It's 12 in the afternoon. To give it extra zing. Well,
And through the dark and cold, I know it's all good, 'cause now I'm the best of myself.
Lipstick tastes like Candyland. Sticky sweet, gummy pears. Mind if I sit on your lap? Can you handle that? A movie scene, I'm a thriller. Does my voice make you paralyzed? Can you handle that? Can you handle?
hello. It is 4:58. It's 5 p.m. in the evening, and I'm having first meal of the day right now. Before coming to my meal, I just want to give you a little recap of what has happened today. So basically, let's rewind. So basically, I slept at 1 in the night, and I was like, it's a Saturday. I wanna sleep as much as I want. So I put off all my alarms and I slept at 1. So I mean, since I had not put any alarms, I woke up at 7 and I was like, I feel like I've slept enough. And then I see my mobile and I'm like, it's only 7 in the morning. So I was like, you know what, I've got a couple more hours in me. Like, I can probably sleep another hour or so. I wanna feel fully rested, although I was feeling fully rested. But then I was like, let's just let it go. It's Saturday. And I slept. Cut to a few hours later, not a few, but cut to suddenly what happens, my doorbell rings and I wake up in an extremely surprised mode, thinking, who's at my door this early in the morning. And then I see my mobile and it's 12 in the afternoon. And I was like, well, I think we have overslept. And sometimes when you oversleep, you feel even more lazy. So then I spent the next hour just sitting on my bed and thinking, what have I done? Like, did I really want to sleep this much? And then after a lot of pondering, I forced myself to get up at 1 in the afternoon. And I was like, you know what, it's okay, it's Saturday, I have all the time in the world. So I basically made myself I basically poured myself a cold brew that I had kept in fridge. So I made that and I again went to my bed. I was like, let me just wake myself up. And I land on YouTube and I'm enjoying my cold brew. And then I was like, what, maybe I should, explore a few new recipes of chicken, because I had chicken in my fridge and I was like, let's see something that we can make. And then cut to, it's 4 o'clock in the evening. So I basically spent almost 3 hours on YouTube looking at 100 recipes, and look what I end up making. The exact same thing that I made last night. Well, we'll get to that later. So at 4, I was like, you know what, I mean, if I'm not really working out, might as well just, cook food. And then I'm like, I can still turn this day around. I can make food, I can eat food, I can work out as well. So I was like, okay, let me just think what I want to make. And then I was like, you know what, I really love air fried broccoli. You know what, I really liked eating potatoes yesterday night. So let's make what we made yesterday night. After wasting 3 hours on watching different recipes, I ignored them all. And I marinated my chicken, I prepped my potatoes and broccoli, and then I put it in the air fryer. And I was like, you know what, I have 15 minutes before this is cooked, before this is ready. So I quickly did my workout. All the time during my workout, all the time I was just thinking about food, because I'm so hungry at this point. So by the time I was done with my workout, my food was already cooked. So I just quickly got ready, and now I'm eating my food. I'm waiting for it to cool down a little bit. It's a bit hot, so I want to pour lemon on top to give it extra zing. Quantity wise, I've taken a little more than yesterday night because I'm really hungry. So I took a bit more chicken, some more broccoli, potatoes. So this will be my it would be criminal to call it breakfast right now, so I don't think I should call it brunch also. So like lunch, let's call it late lunch, but this is the first meal of today, and I'm going to enjoy it, and I will see you at dinner. Hello, it's 10 in the night and I've been watching TV for the past few hours, and I didn't feel hungry because I had an extremely filling lunch. I mean, chicken and potatoes make me so full, and I also ate broccoli. I love air fried broccoli. So that was a good late lunch, and I wasn't as hungry. So I basically boiled 2 eggs. There's cucumbers, carrots, and hummus. So not actually hummus, I mean a modified version of hummus. So basically I did not put tahini in it. So I just boiled chickpeas, and then I just added garlic, some olive oil, chilies, lots and lots of lemon juice, and that's it. Did I mention olive oil? Around a teaspoon of olive oil in this. So I had taken around 50 grams of raw chickpeas, but this is only half of what I have made. I thought I would be able to eat that, but I think that's too much. So this is half of what I made. So I'm going to have this for my dinner, and I will let you know if I end up eating something else in the night.